Welcome. In front of me I have BRAUN DigiFrame and I'm going to show you how you can set up the notifications. So let's go for the settings. After that, simply tap on the notifications. And at the first we can adjust the notification volume. So I'm going to pick it on the maximum volume. We can also turn off the notifications by tapping on the switchers. But I think that we are going to leave it activated, and we can turn off notifications for the feature news and also for the backup and the storage space. And the most important, like the new photos, friends, software update, and also the network connection, it's going to be activated. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.